Are you ready to take your brand to the next level? Do you want to attract your audience with amazing videos that leave an everlasting impression? You can now create real people avatar that can read texts less than 5 minutes and completely free.
In a world where beauty is an art form, where confidence is the ultimate accessory, and where every moment is an opportunity to shine,
this is Canva. It's an easy-to-use online graphic tool. Click on this Create a Design button and select Video. Click on Apps and search for HeyGen avatars. You have to sign in for HeyGen. You can only create one video for free. Here is a tip. Go to web browser and get a temporary email. Sign in by using the temporary mail that you have created. You can choose any avatar. Choose a background color as your preference. Then go to ChatGPT and generate a script for your purpose. And copy and paste it here. You can choose any real person voice as you like. And you can listen to your script before generating
hello, this is how I sound. In a world.
Finally, we have generated our real people video for this cosmetic business. You can edit this video by using another features of Canva. Hope you enjoy this video.
In a world where beauty is an art form, where confidence is the ultimate. Welcome to the world of Pink Beauty. Pink Beauty, where innovation meets tradition, and where timeless beauty is crafted into every product. Our journey is a celebration of the harmonious blend of nature's purity and cutting-edge technology.